Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have got another easy guide for you in a simple way. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you Tinkercad versus Fritzing 2026, which circuit design software wins. Tinkercad is a cloud-based platform from Autodesk that runs directly in the browser, offering circuit simulation, Arduino support, and block or text-based coding. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and requires no installation, making it ideal for students and hobbyists who want quick prototyping. On the other hand, Fritzing is open source and popular for its breadboard view, visual component placement, and the ability to design PCB layouts. It's great for documenting projects and stepping toward real hardware, though it can be slower with larger circuits and has fewer simulation features. Overall, if you want accessibility and easy learning, Tinkercad is the winner. But if you care about visual prototyping and PCB layouts, Fritzing still has its value. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.